In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a Gmail account from your iPhone, whether you're switching accounts or just want to clean up your device. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen. Scroll down and look for Mail option. Now tap on it to access your mail settings. In the mail settings, tap on Accounts. This will show you all the Gmail account or the email account linked to your device. Confirm that you want to delete. Now that at the bottom of the account settings, you will simply find delete account on the Gmail. Confirm that you want to delete the account by tapping delete from iPhone. And this will remove the Google account from your device. Your Gmail account is now removed from your iPhone. You can still access it through a web browser or by adding it back later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Gmail account from iPhone. It's simple as that.